Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove administrator account in Windows 11 and 10. Let's get started. Make sure you signed in with another administrator account before removing one. You cannot delete the account you're currently using. Now click the Start menu, open Settings, then go to Accounts, then click Family and Other Users. Then in Windows 10, click Family and Other Users as well. Under Other Users, select the administrator account you want to remove. Then click Remove, then click Delete Account and Data to confirm. The account will now be removed from your PC. If you don't want to delete the account completely, go to Settings, then go to Accounts, then go to Family and Other Users, then select the account. After that, click Change Account Type, then change it from Administrator to Standard User, then click OK. This removes admin privileges without deleting the account. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.